Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report, a truckerized tune-up report for Michael in North Dakota on this Ranger RCI 99N2. Michael, we did up two of these for you, both identical, fully modded. Mute that phone there. Full truckerized package, all the audio mods, power mods, Toshiba voltage regulator, wideband transmit receive, clarifier mod, high cut filter, 10 kilohertz switch in the back. It's loaded. Also modified your SRA 198 mic wideband mod, as well as included a couple of static 636 mics for you. Okay, start with RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug, looking about 5 watts all the way down in case you decide to run like a 8 pill or something. You got full adjustability. 50 all the way up, 52 or so. That's if you want to drop a big dead key. I'd probably run about halfway. Hello, 100 watt slug pegged in the corner. Let's go to the 250 watt slug in average. Hello, 115 bird average. Peak power. Hello, 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 hello. 250 in the corner. All right, Michael, we're gonna get these out to you, bud. I definitely appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized. Get wise and get Truckerized today.